Hi guys, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. This is day number 19 of the month of FlyLady decluttering and cleaning. We are in zone 4, master bathroom for me, then I'm moving to my master bedroom. Toilet paper. Okay. What am I doing today? I'm putting the timer on for 15 minutes and I'm doing what's behind me. Because that's all you need is 15 minutes. And you'll see when I go to the master bedroom, I'm going to do the same thing. But when we get there, I'll tell you why. So let me put the timer on and let's get started. First, the noise you're hearing is my little stool, which Scott uses for working out, and I use it actually to sit down on and blow dry my hair, because I'm getting to the point where I need to sit down when I blow dry my hair. Okay, neither here nor there. What did I do yesterday? Yesterday I did all of this, and I'm very happy with it. One of you mentioned I should put all my foundations down here with the blushes, but then if I do that, I'm gonna try. I gotta move all this stuff. Let's see. It would make sense. Nope, nope, nope. It's not working. I kind of figured it wouldn't work because that's the reason why I had it this way. Maybe, yeah, okay. All right, I'll do it this way. But now here's the danger for me. I have a whole empty spot here. And when I have an empty spot, you know what that means. But anyway, it's all organized. Which brings me, you may have saved my day. Whoever you are, you may have saved my day. Oh, something else. One of you mentioned that if you want to remove those drawers, you got to squeeze them. I didn't know that. So let's do this. Squeeze. Oh. You're never too old, too long. Okay, so you see the brushes? They used to be in this basket. I put them back in their little containers, and I'm putting them on top here because it really wasn't practical for me to grab them. So let's put the timer on, and I'll tell you what I'm going to try to do. You see this? Okay, these are my daily products, except for that needs to be decluttered. It's jewelry and cough syrup for the kids. I don't really have room in the drawer to put all of this stuff, because not that it's a lot, but I just don't have the room because I have the acne stuff here, because I'm, breaking out. I have the acne stuff in there. But I was thinking I need room for this because I really don't want it in the open. One, there's humidity, two, there's light, plus it's more dusting and cleaning. And eventually, what I want to do is really get rid of those shelves. You remember when the shelves were full? Okay. I want to get rid of the shelves and have a nice cabinet, a standing cabinet, not a wall cabinet, over there, so I can put all of Scott's stuff and towels, toilet paper, things like this, and just clear this wall. Not gonna happen this week, just telling you. So let me go through this. There's this product here. This is a typical Sophia purchase. This is Bajaj. Wait, I gotta put the timer on, don't I? Timer. 15 minutes. Okay, so this is Bajaj Almond Drops Non-Sticky Hair Oil. Okay. I couldn't open it at the store. I went to an Indian store and I was like, ooh, this is exactly what I need. And guess what? It stinks. It's supposed to be almond oil, but I can guarantee you that they put jasmine or something in there, and I can't stand the smell of jasmine. So it's gotta go. It's a nice bottle, it's glass, it's a full product. Yeah, that's going to donate. Okay, what else do we have here? I'm gonna go through products, right? Okay, this Pore Minimizing Tonic by Your Good Skin. This is really not good. I have this instead, which is the Acne Stress Control by Neutrogena. That works for me. It minimizes the pore. This, I felt it did absolutely zero for me, zero. Here's another product I bought, thinking, a dream in a bottle, right? And dud. This is excellent. I got it at TJ Maxx for $7.99. This is a Serious Skincare, C Power, Vitamin C, Ester, Enzymatic, Facial beauty treatment. I tell you why I'm upset though. Sears Skincare used to be sold on HSN. They no longer do that. They're on Evine now. And the Evine collection is less than what used to be on HSN. I mean, seriously less. There's like, I can't even find this anymore. But this is great. So I'm hoping I'll find it again. All right. Skin Therapy Oil Cocoa Butter. This is excellent. Believe it or not, I put it on my face. Very good. And my body. Very good. Vani Cream Gentle Facial Cleaner. Very, very good. What I do is that I use that every other day. And the other days I use this. The Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne. If I use the Neutrogena thing, my skin really dries up. Okay, this was from Stefania, New Skin. I'm out of it. There's like a drop left, and her products are wonderful. I talk about them all the time. This is really good, but it's one of those products that's all natural, that doesn't have any preservative and stuff. And I've had it since November. I think that's when she sent it to me. So there's only one drop left that can go. Same thing with the eye cream. You remember I did a giveaway on her eye cream? The eye cream is excellent. I've used quite a lot of it. Yeah, it's almost done. But again, there's no preservative. So after now 5 months almost, it's gotta go. Okay, this is the skincare I'm using right now. I think it's just okay. I'm not gonna go ooh and ah over it. This is number 7, Restore and Renew Face and Neck. You can see, oh, my neck is so much better, right? Okay, but I'm keeping it. That's the cream and night cream, and that's the eye cream from yesterday. So I'm keeping those products. This can go. This can go. This can go. This and this can go. I'm decluttering all of this. So now what I want to do is see if I can put that in here, or some of it, or in here at the bottom. Let's see. I'm really concerned that if I leave an empty space here, what's going to happen is that, oops, I'm going to buy stuff. But I think I can fit everything in here. Okay. I got 10 minutes left. So we're doing pretty good. 10 minutes. Okay. This one is dirty. That's the one I used yesterday. I already changed the towels. So this goes here. This stays here. Toilet paper is gonna have to stay here. I don't use it ever. That can go. Okay, these are earrings, but I gotta tell you, they were I gotta see if I can clean them out. I don't know if you can see, but some of it's a silver tone and a gold tone, and the gold tone is coming off. So I think I gotta polish them really good and remove the gold tone and just keep them as a silver tone, because I like those. Okay, these, I gotta put them back in the thing. This is a little perfume. This is Atelier Cologne Vanille. Ugh. I don't want to smell like a cake. Okay, this I think is cute. I'm keeping it. This goes downstairs. Toilet paper. We're not gonna run out of that anytime soon. Money. Okay, what do we have here? This is where it's hard to make a choice. Okay, so the kids got me stuff for Christmas. Willie got me these. They are little soap things. Let me pull one out. So what you do is that you take a petal, right, and you have a soap. It's not really good soap, but I think it's adorable, and Willie bought it for me. So I'm keeping it. But I'm only going to keep it as decorative item more than anything else. Because I don't see myself using this soap. It's supposed to be guest soaps, but nobody uses this stuff. Okay, and then these. This is Bailey's Harding. I bought this after Christmas. It was part of Christmas gifts at Walgreens, and then everything was 75% off. And I think I paid $3 or $5 for a box this big that had a ton of it. I've been using this one, the body wash to wash my brushes with. This is the bath milk, and this is the salts. I will never use this, really. I'm thinking maybe I can use them as a deodorizer, but they really don't smell that good, so they can go. It's one of those things, again, an impulse purchase. Oh, it's 75% off, let me get it, and it's garbage. So I'm going to keep those 2 bottles here. I'm going to put them in the bottom, and they are the ones I'm going to use to wash my brushes with, and because I can use them on my body. They're horrible. They dry up. This I'm going to use. That can go. Alright, Scott stuff. Yeah. That can go. That can go. These are all spent. Why is he keeping this? It's just as bad as I am, you know? I'm getting rid of this. This is really gross. I just got him one yesterday. He can use this one, you know, from the supply downstairs. This here is just like, I mean, I don't want to embarrass him, but this is bad. This is bad. And there are more of these, more. They keep coming. Look, they all spent. Ugh. Okay. That's it. I'm done. And I have 4 minutes, 51 seconds left. So that's not bad. I'm going to put that back in. I think that some of you have noticed that I really decluttered the makeup. I kid you not, I really have not purchased any eyeshadow or palette in over 2 years. So I'm pretty proud of myself, and I get it. A lot of them are repeats, the same color. I do use them. Some of them were gifts, like this Dior thing, and then the Chanel were gifts. But I use all of them. These two I said I wasn't using. I do, but really not that often. You know, these two, the Revealed. I kind of like them, but it's like when I go out, we do something special, then I'll put those kind of vibrant color. But everything else is really being decluttered, and I'm happy with it, so that's all that matters. Okay, so that's it for this video. It was not a lot. I decluttered quite a bit. I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items in less than 15 minutes. So you see, that's all you need sometimes. Let's get rid of this too. 16, 17. I don't need this. So I'm going to put all of this in here. Okay. Oh, and this, I don't use it. So that's that. Not too bad. Hey guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to start my bedroom. That's going to be tomorrow's video. I'm going to do exactly the same thing, 15 minutes, and see where we go. I got to tell you, the closet is going to be the toughest. It's not going to happen in 15 minutes, but we'll talk about that when we get there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.